is LG TV temporary server issue is showing for you. For this, first of all, restart your TV and also try to change your internet connection, and you can go to the network setting and click on network connection, and after that you need to change your network. You can change your Wi-Fi. If you have any additional Wi-Fi, you can select any additional Wi-Fi, or you can set up manually. And if you do not have any additional Wi-Fi, do one thing: you can use this Wi-Fi direct option, and you can use Wi-Fi direct option, and you can use your phone's Wi-Fi to connect to your TV, because it sometimes solve this issue. And use your phone's Wi-Fi. You can select your phone device and turn on a hotspot from your phone and connect it with your TV. Also, try to change the location. You need to go to journal option, and herein you need to look for location option, and herein you need to select your country. I am from India, so India is showing here. And after that, you go back and click on this time and date option, and it's click on set automatically, because it will select as per your country. The next step is to update the software. You need to go to journal, scroll down, about this TV showing, just tap on this and click on software update, and update your TV to the latest version. And if nothing works, you need to click on this reset to initial settings. Make sure to click this option at last if nothing works, because it will reset your TV completely to the initial settings. After doing that, make sure to restart your TV and see whether this issue get resolved or not. In case you still face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. Make sure to give a reply. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.